Key vocabulary you should know. Assembly line. A series of workers and machines in a factory by which a succession of similar items is progressively assembled. Centralised, where business decisions are made at the top of the business or in a head office and distributed down the chain of command. Chain of command. The route by which instructions and communications flow from the top to the bottom of a business. It explains who is answerable to whom. Decentralised, where a business allows decisions to be made by subordinates. Jargon. A language that is specific to a particular field, e.g. revenue and profit, is business jargon. Organisational structure. The internal makeup of staff within a business representing the different layers of management. Productivity. The amount of work produced by a person in a given time. Self-employed. A person who is self-employed works for themselves instead of an employer. They work for a trade or business they have set up themselves. Slang.